much. U.S. stocks now rising for a fourth day on optimism sparked by the latest housing data. The Dow, S&P 500 and the Nasdaq all rose. In fact, the S&P 500 held above 1,000, Nasdaq held above 2,000. Stock index futures, well, they look like this at the moment. There you go, declines for about 0.1% for all three major markets. The S&P 500 now up almost 50% since its March low. And with that run-up, more and more stocks are trading at the highs for the last 52 weeks. Zara Burton is with us now to follow up on this. Zara, I mean, that's pretty significant.
It is significant, but just a case in point here that we're actually seeing more 52-week lows than we are seeing highs. Howard Silverblatt, he's an analyst over at S&P, and he was saying this is really a discouraging sign given the run-up that we've seen recently since the March lows. We're looking at about a 50% rally thereabouts. So he was saying, you know what, investors may be getting ahead of themselves. Stocks still under some distress, but there are some 52-week highs that we want to get into today, because today, even though since the March lows we've been seeing more lows than highs, we actually saw more highs today, and that was interesting. About 7 stocks reached 52-week highs today. We're talking about stocks like Pepsi Bottling. That company got taken over by PepsiCo. Starbucks as well on that list. Expedia, Bed Bath & Beyond, Western Digital, Fidelity National, Cognizant Technology Solutions. These stocks, as you can see, on a one-year basis and on a year-to-date basis, they've been on a tear. Now, I want to get into Cognizant Technology Solutions because this company was one of the best or the best performer on the NASDAQ 100 today, rising about 10%. It came out with its 2Q earnings numbers, and it came in ahead of analyst estimates, but also talking about that 3Q sales and profits, they're going to come in ahead of analyst estimates. So that stock really, as you just saw the chart, it was on a tear so far this year, and a lot of analysts saying, you know what, this stock could rise further. Sales increasing at this company because of this recession. The recession really allowing companies or forcing companies to farm out more of their services to companies like Cognizant, which provide outsourcing services to places like India.
Okay, Zara, thank you very much indeed for that. Zara Burton there in New York. Of course, just because it's 52-week high doesn't mean you sell. There could be more gains to come.